Hello, this is Dr. Adonis. I'm the Director of Functional Medicine here at NuLife Institute. And today I wanted to talk about diabetes, but specifically about tingling or those sensations you get on your toes, on your fingers, and some people call neuropathy. It could happen at the beginning, it could happen later in the disease, but it's interesting that we identify using this functional medicine approach if it's really related to diabetes, if it's related to other medications you're taking, if it's related to the lack of certain supplements or nutrients in your diet. So with this multifactorial approach, functional medicine approach we use for diabetes and many other diseases, we can specifically identify if it's really neuropathy or if it's related to a simple nutrient deficiency, for example. So give us a call and then we can help you answer that question or any other question you might have related to diabetes.